It is cold and very windy, so it's going to be pretty interesting today. Oh, that is wide right.
Go, go, go. Ow. Oh no, oh my God. Oh,
sit,
oh
sit,
no.
sit, 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 sit.
Oh, that's gone.
Oh my God, the wind is unbelievable. Oh boy, all right. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to episode 3 of Road to Open Qualifying. I'm here with my buddy Sam Labreque today. Sam, how you doing?
Good, you?
Welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
Sam, tell us a bit about yourself. I know you played golf at John Abbott College.
Yeah, so I've been playing golf with John Abbott for 2 years. Golf competition for like last 3 or 4 years. So yeah, big challenge today. We'll see how it's gonna go.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little 18-hole match. We're gonna split into 2 videos. So front 9 today. We're gonna do stroke play. I'm giving Sam 6 strokes overall. So 3 front, 3 back. It is cold and very windy, so it's going to be pretty interesting today. I think it's like 7 but feels like 3 Celsius, which is, I'm not exactly sure what in Fahrenheit, but I think that's under 40. It's cold. And wind gusts of up to like 50 kilometers an hour. So this is going to be interesting. We're back out at Vaudreuil. First hole's a par 5, and let's jump right into it.
Yes, sir.
All right, flipping a tee to see who goes first. Sam's got the honors. Hey, I don't even have a golf ball.
No breakfast ball on first hole, eh?
No, we warmed up today. No breakfast balls. All right, play well, Sam. Have fun.
Nice.
Oh, that is wide right.
Yeah.
There's nobody there.
All right, good start.
Hey, you're in play.
I was playing. Okay, first ball's hit.
Yeah, that's
Stress is off.
You're off to par 5. All right, I'm also hitting driver. Hopefully get a full turn in here. Yeah, we're both wide right. Okay, good. We're off. Woo.
About 30 something. I think I'll just go and see where that goes. Or like, wind in the back, so I'll go with 7 wood. Might not reach. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Might be in the bunker, but
Yeah, not bad, man.
bunker right. We'll take it.
So I missed far enough right that I've got a shot. I got 196. Ball a little above my feet. Got to go kind of just around this big tree here. Gonna hit a little 7-iron. A lot of wind, so I don't want to go long.
Short.
Oh, short. Okay. Wow. Ball no travel.
That was weird.
All right, we're in a good spot, just in front of the green. All right, so here, just short of the green. On the way, Sam's in the bunker. Pretty simple little chip up the hill here. It's not match point, but I do want to put something close, just to put a little bit of pressure on Sam here. I got lob wedge. Kind of chip and run it up there. Just a little soft. Not a bad jump though.
Alright, so go bunker shot. Try to green go right to left, so we'll try to get it there. Haven't hit too many of them this year, so we'll see how it's gonna go. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
All right.
Bit too far, but Yep.
Yeah, nice putt. Come backer.
Pressure's on, baby. Pressure's on.
Sam's in for the par. I got a birdie look. Pretty straight uphill. He's just gonna die a little left. No. Just right of center is where I got this one. Hey, Judy. All right, birdie on the first. Let's go. All right, guys, we're on the second hole, par 4, just under 380, downwind again. I've got 4-iron. It's a pretty narrow one. There's quite a bit of trouble up there, so I just want to get it in play on this hole. Get myself a good shot into the green.
Shot.
What?
Can't be more in the middle.
Not long, but straight. Oh, driver.
Yeah, big guy's out.
Okay.
We're confident with that club, so.
Fair. I'm not, as you've seen.
Yeah. So. Going for the big play.
A little down the right again. Oh, somebody there. Bar!
What?
I think you went right over him.
Yeah.
Should be okay down
Should be okay.
there. Yeah.
Opening.
All right, so 4-iron worked out very nicely. Now I'm moving it. We are rolling it today. I've got 124, pretty much straight downwind to a front flag. I've got gap wedge on my 50 degree. It's like a smooth 3/4 one. Might be a little too much club, but I don't want to come up short to that front flag. So even if I go a little past it and I'm putting back down, I'm perfectly okay with that. Be good. Oh yeah. Okay, a little deep, but I'm putting. Pretty much exactly what I said.
All right, so 100 yards to the green. Wind in the back, balls above the feet. I'll go with a 58 degree, full swing. We'll try to place it on the green. Go, go, go.
That's okay. Yeah,
Pretty
good
good.
shot. Just on the front.
Quick, David. It was muddy, but good shot. So muddy over there.
Yeah, somewhere between you and me was a really good golf shot there. I'm long, you're short.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, so got 30, 35 feet downhill, back into the wind. Overall looks pretty straight, but at the end it's gonna break to the right. This is really just all about pace here. Maybe I get lucky and the hole gets in the way.
Yeah.
A little left on me there. Sorry?
I feel generous.
Oh, yeah, I guess we can do gimmies, huh?
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm good with gimmies.
What we play?
Although, no, we're playing stroke point.
Okay, yeah. So in the hole. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we're both trying to get ready for the season.
Yeah.
Try and make it as tournament-like as possible.
All right. Right to the left. I think it's gonna snap a lot. We'll see. Go.
Good roll.
Yeah. My putt was.
I mean, both putts just snap at the end. Good putt, though.
I almost
Good putt.
pulled off a Victor Alden thing.
A what?
I almost missed the hole.
Oh, you almost missed?
I was like, oh.
All right, so third hole, par 4, like 295 in the flag today. So we both parred there, but that's actually the hardest hole in the course. So you stroked on that one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm 1 under and Sam's net 1 under. I got 3-wood today. Not because I'm not hitting driver well, but just because I think if I finally hit a good drive, it's going to be a little too much on this hole. So, just put a good swing on a 3-wood. I put it somewhere up by the green, make birdie that way.
Stay.
A little heely. That should be okay.
Okay, you're
Yeah, that's fine. Not bad.
Good shot.
It'll work.
third time's a charm. Try to do a gate time of myself. Shout out to gate time.
Looks pretty good. Drawing a little. Oh, landed on the green, and I think he went off the back. Good poke, man. Good swing.
Pretty good.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. All right, so that 3-wood worked out okay. Just short right of the green. I got this, well, I mean, it looks like a bunker, but I think they're filling it in. There's no grass yet, but I got to go over that. Downwind, got some green to work with. I got to be pretty precise here. And just off the back of the green, get a nice one there. Okay, I got lob wedge, pretty tight wet lie. Yeah, just want to throw it up over that bunker, let it release back to the flag. A little wet. Thought I played that really nicely. All right. Yeah, we'll go again while we're here. All right, well, we moved about 10 feet. Similar shot. Hopefully I get a little bit more bold. Two worst shots I've hit all year. I guess I'm taking draw from what used to be a bunker, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got this for par. After hitting a pretty good tee shot on a short par 4. Now roll forever. I am not in for bogey. Oh boy, that got ugly quick.
All right, so little chip shot. I'll go a bump and run pitching wedge. I just get it closer to the hole.
Whoa now. Whoa, whoa. Not our best short game display here, Stan.
Oh yeah. I didn't want to chunk it.
Emotional, damn it!
Okay, so I got about 15 feet here uphill for what a bogey, right? Nice, love saying that. Should be pretty straight overall. So yeah, Christmas came early for Sam here. I don't want to give him a bigger gift than it already is though, so let's make this. Oh, that was a good putt. Okay. That is a gorgeous double bogey. All right, Sam, run it in there.
So about 10 feet, a little left or right, slightly. So try to have a good roll.
Yeah, good one. Very nice. All right, so Sam is net 2 under. I'm 1 over. All right, so just looked at the scorecard, but actually didn't realize Sam also stroked on 1. So you're net 2 under. No, net 3 under.
Net 3 under, yeah.
And I'm 1 over. So that's a pretty comfortable early lead for you right now.
Yeah, we'll take it. Won't complain.
All right, 4th hole, par 4, about like 360. Pretty straight away.
Yeah, I'll go a little draw on the right tree at the end. Driver. Yeah.
Hang right there. Yeah, that's good. Down the left side. Yeah, left rough, but you're good.
Left, or left, left.
Oh, you're fine. Good.
Yep.
Good swing. All All right, I'm hitting hybrid.
Match club.
Yep. Should leave me right around the 100. Started a little down the right and let the wind bring it back a bit. A little spinny.
Good head
Fine. Yeah, okay. Right fairway. We're good. Okay, so I'm just in the right rough on a bit of a slide slope here. Side slope. Side slope. A 119. I think it should be down more off the right. Green slopes back to front. I'm gonna hit a 56 here because that 50 that I hit on 2 went a long way. So it's a nice smooth swing on the 56 here. If anything, it should just leave it below the hole putting uphill. Started a little right of the flag because of wind and slope. It's a pretty good swing on it. Ow! Okay, about pin high. A little left. Wow, that hurt. Damn. Ooh.
Hurt the wrist, or I just hit it thin?
No, it hurt the wrist. It was almost like there was not a root in there. Man, that was like.
Oh yeah.
Woo! All right, we're good.
All right, so haven't checked the distance yet, but not a good lie. Pretty muddy place. I have 54 yards. Try to just not chunk it. Nice contact. Give him on the hole.
Yeah, pretty good shot, man.
Okay. Rolled out more than I thought, but with the condition, pretty good shot.
Okay, on the green. Still a little sensitive. About 30 feet here. Birdie across the green. Sam's got about 20 feet downhill. Oh, and Sam strokes on this hole too. Which we can't make sense of that, but hey, it is what it is. Just want to get good pace on this. What?
Not even flinch.
I didn't think it looked like it went left. And it wasn't even good pace. Boy. Making golf difficult for myself at the moment. Can't be doing this when I'm giving a guy 6 shots. Alright, Sam, put a good roll on it.
Don't put that on camera though.
What?
Just spit on my ball.
That's definitely going in the video.
I mean, well, left or right, I think. Ugly bit. Oh, snap.
Try. Yeah, that turned a lot at the end. You want to mark that or you want to finish?
I'll mark.
Yeah.
I'll mark. I'll be a good guy. Take my time, mark it.
Okay, so I got about 4 feet for par here. Should be downhill. It should turn a little, but my first putt didn't turn at all, so who knows? Pick a line and put a good stroke on it here.
But
Thank you. All right, stop the bleeding.
all right, about 3 feet.
Yeah, nice net birdie. Yep. So Sam's 4 under through 4 net. I'm 1 over after a bit of a blunder on 3. The good news for me is that he doesn't get any shots now the rest of the front 9. So hopefully I kind of bring myself back into this because he's off to an early lead here.
And also, win in the face for me, it's like most
True.
killer part of my game. So
All right, we got
fight for it.
another short par 4 here. 305.
Oh no, that's so high.
That's pretty high. Yeah, wow.
Oh my god, teed it up low also.
I didn't see it down, but it's not too bad down the right there.
We'll find it.
Yeah, the shot trace on that one's gonna be fun to build. All right, so I'm hitting driver and test out the wrist after that last wedge shot. Wing a little into and off the left.
Oh yeah.
A little out of the heel. Wind's taking it. Should be fine. Not too bad. Short right. Decent swing. Decent swing. Didn't hurt the wrist. So.
Alright, so wasn't the best drive. Push it to the right. I'll have a punch shot to do underneath the tree. About 55 yards to the pin. I'll try and punch a little 7. Try to keep it low. Pretty close to the green, up and down for par. Maybe birdie. Stay optimistic.
Good, man.
Okay, we'll take it there. It's not on the green, just on the fringe.
All right, so just short right here. 32 yards back into the wind, front flag. Fly it most of the way there because I'm into the wind. Let's try and put one close here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, flew it a little further than I wanted to, but we got a good birdie look.
I don't think so.
You want it in or out?
I'll take it.
So. All right, so Sam just off the edge of the green there. Both got birdie looks.
Pretty big right to left, I think.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Alright. Close. Stop. 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 Come on. Come on.
Good putt, man. I'd give it to you, but we're playing strokes. I don't think you're gonna miss that though. Yeah, good for it. And so we got, I don't know, 6-7 feet here. A little downhill. Should turn a little left to right.
That bounces.
I bounced like crazy. Thought I had a good putt, but that's a par. All right. Okay, 6th hole, par 3, 191. What looks like a middle flag, right back into the teeth of the wind.
Yeah.
Yep. Confirmed.
Oh yeah, I'm up, eh?
Huh?
I'm up, eh?
You're up. Yeah. Give me some info. Although your ball flight's not going to help you that much.
Yeah, that's what I'm debating right now. Do I try something or just?
What you think? Like try and hit some kind of lower.
Yeah, just like try to hold the forehand. No wind should get there. So like the wind's so crazy. If I take a 7 wood, just like fly it out.
Oh my God.
Let them fight. It's easy to work.
I
I'll go
think
with the
so.
forehand. I'll try to knock down the forehand.
Okay. And I think if I was caddying for you, I know I'm in a match against you right now, but I'm not going to give you bad info. If I was caddying for you, I would say this is the play.
Yep.
This has a chance. I don't think the 7 wood has a chance.
Oh yeah, 7 wood doesn't have.
Oh my God.
That's going nowhere.
Wow. Oh. Oh, and it hit a tree and bounced backwards on top of it.
Wow. Okay.
You got a long way home, my friend. Okay. I've got a 5 iron. I'm not going to change clubs after seeing that. I legit think I can hit mine a bit lower than that. Just kind of smooth punch one out there. Even if the finish is just short, it's not a bad spot. Oh, I overturned mine a bit. Okay. I think the distance was okay.
Yeah.
Slot.
I think I have like the tree right in your
I might have some tree trouble. I might have to slide it through the bunker. Oh boy. All right. The next few holes are going to be interesting into this breeze.
All right. So bad tee shot. Really bad tee shot. But 65 yards to the flag. We'll do the same thing. We'll punch through the trees. Try to roll it there. Take the same club, 7-iron. Don't have the best lie too. It's like, but we'll just hit the ball first. Oh. Yeah, that was chunky. It's alright. We'll chip it there. Alright, so 26 yards to the pin. Try to just stick it there. We'll play the bogey. And we'll just nice up and down. Really good chip. Nice look for
All right. So I got pin high, just left of the green. Not the most complicated shot. Got a pretty decent line. Except it's gonna watch my fall through because I got a tree here. 60 degree. Just want to give myself a look at par here. Right, got a par look. All right, I got about 8 feet from my par here. A little uphill, turning right to left. A day like today, you really want to make these. Scoring is just so hard. All right.
Nice par.
Thank you. Good catch hole.
About 5 feet for bogey.
Big button. Nice stroke.
All right. Didn't hurt so
A
bad.
little bit of damage there. So Sam, net 3 under now,
Yeah.
and I'm still a 1 over, but crawling back into it. One shot at a time.
A lot of golf to play.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I've got the honors back. 7th hole. I got 360 par 4. That's probably playing 420 right now. Good hole. Normally just kind of hit a hybrid here, but in this wind, because I don't feel like I can make a full shoulder turn, I'm gonna hit a little 3-wood, just kind of bunt it out there.
Oh yeah.
Down the right side of the fairway. Oh, that went nowhere.
So yeah.
Wow.
So if he's there, I'm hitting a driver. Won't go full swing at it, but I just the best club in the bag so far. So get in play. Oh.
Sit,
Oh
sit,
no.
sit.
Oh, I think that's
Go.
going.
Yeah, that's gone.
So there's a drop over there. Right?
Yeah, that's red state. Okay, so right side of the fairway, a longer way home than I expected, but this wind is treacherous right now. I got 140 to a front flag into off the right. I mean, I think I have to chip an 8-iron. So I think if I hit any kind of 9-iron, even though it wouldn't be full, it's just gonna have too much spin and get a little too high. So I think chippy 8, keep it a little low. Even if I get it onto the, it's a 2-tiered green, even if I get it on the top tier, at least I'll be putting. I don't really want to be short. So let's just commit to this shot here. Oh, slow down. Oh my God, wind is unbelievable. This left of the left bunker. Woo boy, all right.
I'm not sure where he is. Oh, here he goes. Oh, nice view, man.
So yeah, so I found my ball. Unfortunately, it was in the stuff there. So I had to take a drop, hitting 3. 120 to the pin. Wind is like right in my face. And ball's above the feet, so I'll choke a 9-iron. try this. Have a good shot. Go. Is it on? I don't know. Alright, ball short. I have a chip.
Like I hit a pretty good shot and the wind just was just like, nope.
Pretty elevated pin. Have about like 20 feet from top to the pin to work with, so try to flop it there. Go. Ah, it's gonna be short. Have a long putt for bogey.
Okay, so I've got a pretty similar shot to Sam, except I got to go over the bunker. Only other difference is that once mine lands on the green, it's downhill. So, love to put this close and give myself a good look at par, but I really just want to make sure that I give myself a putt here. This is no easy shot, and this ground is soaking wet.
Go, Todd, go. About like 7 feet.
Yeah, okay. Thought that would run out a little more, but I'm happy with the execution.
Well, like what, 20 feet?
What?
About 20 feet.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's left or right. Let's put pressure on with the bogey. Once again, try to save the damage.
Oh, what a putt. I got that for you, man.
He's on fire.
Really good, man. Nice boat.
Pressure's on, baby.
Yeah. All right, so I got this for par. 7-8 feet. Some decent turn to it.
Any answer back, good putt.
Thank you. Man, that's working hard for pars right now, dude.
No, come on. Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
Ready to bet a stroke if I have it on the dot?
On the dot, you mean?
The distance. Like,
Oh.
you have what, like 168?
Nope, you lose. 162.
Okay.
Close. All right, 8th hole, par 3, 162, straight back into the wind. It's a white flag, but that is not a middle flag. That is on the back shelf. I mean, man, I hit 8-iron from 140 on the last hole, so
162,
yeah. I mean, you might be hitting 4-iron again. You hit it the way you hit it on 6. I'm going 7-iron. Like, and I don't even think it's enough, but I don't want to go long.
I'll play like 190, 195. Yeah, probably I'll cut it.
That's probably, yeah, 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it is tough out here right now. I mean, we've played in some pretty bad conditions so far this year. I don't know about you, but this is the toughest by far that I've played in. It has not been this windy or this cold. So, yeah, 7-iron. Try and keep it a little low. And hopefully find the putting surface. Okay. Oh my God, I came out of that so early. Okay, green side bunker.
All right.
That hurt the hands a lot. I might cry.
Do I say I take my ego or I left my ego aside? I put my ego aside, eh?
You put your ego
Yeah,
aside.
okay.
There you go.
I got 4-iron. Trying to be on the green.
Oh, sit.
Oh, everything.
It
goes
is
well.
high.
This one
It is
wrong.
right. It is. Hit the tree. Okay, it's gonna be an interesting hole. Interesting hole.
All right. You have about, sorry, 36 yards. Green uphill still. I think we have some green to work on. Back. We'll just try to chip it there, close. Safe par. Go.
Go.
Release.
Yeah, it's not bad.
not bad, but it's not perfect. Still another long putt for par.
All right, so greenside bunker, basically pin high. Pretty good miss off the tee. This is not the worst spot to be right now. Going back uphill, wind's off the right. Just want to, again, like a broken record, but I just want to give myself a makeable par putt here. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I'll take it.
Yeah, this is gonna be an interesting putt.
Wow, that off a ton. Not bad though.
Okay, stop it.
I got 5 feet for my par here. Just go a little left to right, not much in it. Back into the wind. I don't know if I have to take that into account, but
I think so.
you think so? I think you're playing mind games. I think you're hoping that I hit this 14 pass.
Yeah.
Does that go left?
No, your ball was aimed at the hole.
Yeah.
And your line was aimed right.
Yeah, I knew I wasn't. I was trying to go a little more left
yeah.
of my line, but I mean, it started on my line. It just didn't turn.
Put it again. Put it again. Try it again.
Okay, so 2 bogeys there. What are your net?
I'm at 1 under net.
Okay, and I'm 2 over. So
Yeah.
it ain't pretty, but we're playing golf. All right, 9th hole, par 4. What is it? It's 400. 400 straight into the wind again. So it's probably playing 500 with the wind and the cold. I got driver.
I got driver too.
Sam has driver, and
Front pin, I think.
front pin. That's good. Shortens it a little bit, except it also brings the water into play. Let's just try and get off the tee.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start with that. Whew. All right.
Oh yeah, so. Great drive.
Thank you.
Try to do the same. Hold on.
Turning a little more into the wind. I mean, you're okay out there.
Yeah.
Somewhere in the tree line between this hole and the 18th, but you'll be okay.
Even just like, I know no wind, that would have been like a nice draw.
Yeah, no wind, that's fine, but it just,
We just picks it up so bad.
well, that's it. It exaggerates any movement on the ball, right? You got to be so precise into the wind. So, split the fairway. Can't say that I've done that very often this year. So happy with that. I don't know how far I have in yet. A lot longer than I'd like, that's for sure. That's not right. It's not 207. Okay, 143. Front flag, straight into the wind. I think it's the same 8-iron that I tried to hit on 7. Just hopefully I don't kind of pull it this time. If I pull it, the wind's gonna take it. So 3/4 8-iron, keep it low. Try and put something up on the front of the green here. Tiny little pull, but I really like the strike. Yeah, middle of the green, that's okay. Happy with that. Putting for birdie for the first time in a while.
So, first accomplishment, outdrove James, which won't happen often. So, 135 to the pin. I'm clubbing up 3 because, yeah, my ball flies so high with the wind. So, we'll go with a 7-iron. See where it goes. Try to put it close. Don't get too much.
Okay.
Okay, I'm on the green, but I'm
Shot.
far from the pin. But still a good shot.
All right, so we both got some birdie looks here. Both outside chances. Sam's gonna be away, I guess, what, 40 feet for you, Sam? Probably 30 for me.
Yeah, about 30 feet, 35 feet, left to right.
Not bad. Okay, so going downhill all the way, left to right. All about pace.
Oh. I was straight up.
A little too firm on that line. Couldn't take the brake. So 3.5 feet here. Back uphill for my car. All right, thank you. Putt, 2 putt. Guys, that's a wrap for part 1. What did you finish?
Gross 2 over and then
Net 1 under?
Net 1 under, yeah.
Okay, so he's 1 under net. I'm 2 over. So, I mean, we played the same 9. You just had 3 strokes.
Yep.
Yeah. Nice, cool. Why am I giving you strokes?
I don't know. It's your double that just
No, the double killed me. I mean, listen, I don't feel like either of us played that badly. It's just really tough out here right now.
Yeah, conditions are really rough.
Yeah. So, guys, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Come back next week, part 2, our back 9. We're off to film that now. Let's do it.